This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook volcano carbonara. We will start by gathering our essential ingredients for this classic Italian dish with a fun twist. You will need about 4 ounces of guanciale, 2 large egg yolks, 1 whole egg, and 1/2 cup of freshly grated pecorino romano cheese. Have your 16 ounces of spaghetti or bucatini ready, along with a generous amount of freshly cracked black pepper. First, dice your guanciale into small, uniform cubes, then cook it slowly in a skillet over medium-low heat. This gentle rendering extracts all its wonderful flavor and creates crispy bits. While the guanciale cooks, bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil and season it well with salt. Cook your spaghetti until it is just al dente, saving about 1 cup of that precious starchy pasta water. This water is key for our sauce. Now, prepare the luscious sauce by whisking together your 2 egg yolks, the 1 whole egg, and the pecorino romano cheese in a heatproof bowl. Add a very generous amount of freshly ground black pepper to this mixture. It truly defines the carbonara flavor. Gradually whisk in a few tablespoons of the hot, starchy pasta water. This careful tempering step helps create a perfectly smooth, silky, and unscrambled sauce. Immediately add the hot, drained pasta into the skillet containing the crispy guanciale and some of its rendered fat. Pour your tempered egg and cheese sauce over the pasta. Toss everything together very quickly and continuously to ensure the sauce coats every strand, emulsifying beautifully. Add a tablespoon of reserved pasta water as needed until you achieve a wonderfully creamy and glossy consistency. Then, carefully mound the pasta high on your plate to create that iconic volcano shape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.